in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Middlesex County in northern New Jersey until 8:30 p.m. At 5:29 p.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by heavy rainfall. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include New Brunswick, Perth Amboy, Edison, East Brunswick, Carteret, Colonia, Society Hill, Woodbridge, South Plainfield, Highland Park, Metuchen, and Fords. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 11 and 13. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 7. Garden State Parkway between mile markers 126 and 134. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Cut off the last word. Wait, what happened?
Roads.
That
Here is the official National Weather Service.
was
forecast for road
so
today.
strange.
At 4:07.
What the heck?